Hello everyone, this is Shamantraj and studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering and in the branch of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence, and my section is Infinity. So today's topic is locating the center of any asymmetrical figure consisting of four components. So first of all, what is the centroid? Centroid is the center point of a shape representing the average position of all its points in a triangle. It's where the medians intersect. In data analysis, it's the mean of all points in a cluster. So first of all, let us take an image for locating a centroid. So the image consists of a semicircle, quadrant, square, and a triangle. For locating a centroid, the first step is dividing the figure into equal shapes. First of all, let us divide the images into four shapes. First one is quadrant, second one is square, third one is triangle, and the last one is semicircle. We will divide them to make our problem very simplifiable. Here the numberings may be different. We can take any shapes at any number. Step 2. Solve the first shape. First shape is quadrant, so let us solve the quadrant. Area of quadrant. We know that the area of quadrant is pi r square by 4. From the diagram we get pi into radius of the quadrant is 5 in given figure. So let us divide. So we'll get the answer of area of quadrant is 19.625. After finding the area, we should find the x and y coordinates of the quadrant. So we have the formula by the derivation of quadrant, centered of a quadrant. So x is equals to 4 into r by 3 pi, y is equals to 4 into r by 3 pi. From the diagram we'll get the, after substituting the values of radius, we'll get that x and y coordinates. Second shape is square, so let us solve the coordinates. We have the length is 5 and the breadth is 6. So area of square is breadth into depth. From the diagram we can take as breadth into depth. Area is 30. We have that breadth is 5 and the depth is 6, so we'll get the area as 30. After finding the area of that, let us find the x and y coordinates. X is equals to d by 2 and y is equals to b by 2. This formula we will get by deriving the derivations of center of a rectangle. So let us substitute d and b value. We will get as x is equals to 2.5, y is equals to 3. So our third shape is triangle. Let us solve the coordinates. Area of the triangle is 1 by 2 into breadth into depth. From diagram we get 0.5 into 3 into 5. So area we will get as 7.5. Next, finding x and y coordinates of a triangle. X is equals to d by 3 and y is equals to b by 3. From diagram x is equals to, we have the depth value as 5. So we get 5 divided by 3, 1.66. And the breadth value we have 6. So we'll get 7. Y value is 7. So next our fourth shape is semicircle. Let us solve semicircle. Area of semicircle. As we know that area, we have a formula for solving the area of a semicircle. So that is pi into r square by 2. From the diagram we get pi into radius. We have the, in given figure we have radius is 3. So after dividing that we get area of a semicircle is 28.26. Next, let us solve x and y coordinates of the shape. So x is equals to r. Because it is a symmetric figure, the radius is a x coordinate, so we should, as it divides horizontally, the radius is x-axis, x coordinate. So uh, in y-axis the figure is unsymmetric, so we should find the coordinate. 4 into r by 3 pi is the formula to find the y coordinate. So from diagram we will get y is equals to 4 into 5 divided by 3 into 3.14. We will get the value as 20.93. So finally, after finding all the values, we should substitute in a table to find the centroid. So first shape, we should substitute that first shape we have taken a coordinate. So we should substitute the area and the x-axis, y-axis, and in the fourth column we should multiply the x-axis and the area. We'll get these values, and the y-axis into area will get this value. So after substituting for all the four components, we should take the summation of 80 summation of area, summation of x into area, and summation of y into area to find the center of the given shape. Find center. So summation of a area is 85.41, summation of ax is 103.78, summation of ay is 858.95. So x-axis, to find the x-axis we should divide summation of ax into summation divided by summation of area, and to find the y-axis we should divide summation of ai by summation of d area. So we'll get as x-axis is 4.14 by dividing these values, and y-axis as 1.21. So that's all for today. Thank you.